Pressing the menu button once will show how many sensors are found. Press the down arrow twice to zone configuration. Press the right arrow once to enter the menu. Select the relays to be activated in the zone. At this point, the panel will prompt you for the password. The default password is 1234. Pressing the up arrow twice will allow you to add sensors to the designated group. Pressing the up arrow will allow you to view and adjust the rise and fall set points, as well as the detection mode. To add another sensor type to the zone, press the right arrow to the appropriate type and repeat the process of adding the sensors. Pressing the up arrow will allow you to view and adjust the rise and fall set points, as well as the detection mode. Saving the current configuration is done by pressing the menu button twice to back out of the menus and pressing 1 to save.